Alrighty, let's take a look at this question. So we're given f of x equals 2x minus 6, and we're also given f to the negative 1 of k equals 18, which means the inverse, and that's the function notation for the inverse. Now, if you recall, the inverse, function notation, if you write y equals f of x, that means that what's inside the brackets is your x. So this is your x coordinate of the inverse, and this would be the y coordinate of the inverse. So the point on the inverse would be k comma 18. Now, if we want to go backwards and look at the point, that same point, but on the original function, f of x, we would have to switch x and y because the inverse is found by switching x and y. So to put it back, 18 now would be our x and k would be our y. So really what they're saying is if we're trying to find the value of k and we're given the equation of the original, we could sub this original point, 18 comma k, in for x and y in the original to find k. So in for y, which is f of x, goes our k, and in for x is 18. So replace x with 18, and then we just need to simplify that. So 2 times 18 is 36, minus 6 is 30, and there we go. So the answer would be C. I hope that helped.